At the Sharma Clinic, we have added a new skincare treatment, the CO2RE Laser. The CO2RE Laser is a type of ablative fractional laser resurfacing treatment. This procedure helps to reduce wrinkles, smooth and even skin texture, and improve overall skin tone in as little as one treatment session. Carbon dioxide lasers have been used in the aesthetic and medical industry for decades. The goal of CO2 laser resurfacing treatment is to improve and diminish the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, pigmentation irregularities, acne scarring, and overall skin texture. The CO2 laser is able to penetrate the skin deeply, allowing for treatment of severe wrinkles and pigmentation issues. Fractionated lasers afford patients the benefits of an ablative CO2 treatment with a shorter commitment for recovery. Fractional lasers create microchannels of injury surrounded by healthy skin tissue, allowing for reduced healing times.